This is quite messy Excel file with a lot of business data. Customer name, date, amount, description, product and payment status. It is quite messy and what we want, organized and meaningful data Excel file. So here we will use Cowork to get meaningful insights from messy Excel file. So basically what are the problems with this kind of data? We have data but we don't know what it is telling us. Instead of analysis, we are stuck doing data cleaning. We don't know how much money we made or lost. By the time we understand data, it's already too late. We need experts just to understand simple data. So here comes Copilot Cowork, which can solve all these problems with single prompt in single flow. Go to Cowork and provide your prompt here. You can also speak out the prompt. To produce great output by Cowork, it is very important to give proper prompt to Cowork. Let's go through our prompt. The prompt is we want to transform raw data into professional business intelligence. First of all, we will perform data preparation tasks like normalize customer names, consistent format for date fields, cleaning of amount column, standardize product names, and normalize payment status. Apart from data preparation, what we want to generate business insights like total revenue, total outstanding, list of customers with pending payments, revenue by product or category, and monthly sales trend. Once we have insights, we want to create files. Excel file with proper structured data, summary sheet with key matrices. We also want PowerPoint slide to present to our management, which include executive summary slide, dashboards, key insights and recommendations. We also want a Word document because we plan to replace Excel by some other product like small size CRM. So we want a Word file for this, which include key features and why this tool is better than Excel for use case. And we want this Excel file, PowerPoint file and Word file to be emailed to us. And all these jobs we want in single prompt. Let's copy this prompt from here. I am pasting this prompt in Cowork. Character limit is 16,000 for Cowork prompt. Let's execute this prompt. So based on our prompt, Cowork is thinking to create a plan and then execute step by step. Okay, so it asking for to upload our file. This is a file for processing. So you can see the execution of the prompt by Cowork based on our file that we have given here. It is building 3 files for us: Excel file, PowerPoint file and Word file. In case you want to pass on some more instructions, you can pass from here. It will be queued up. For example, also send me message on Teams chat. So it will be queued. Based on our prompt and given the input file, we got 3 files in output folder. We can download file from here or open location. We can see that we have now 3 files ready that we can see from here. Also we requested for the information on email. Let's check the email. Yes, we also got the email from Cowork. Email showing me attachments and the summary of our task. Let's open this Excel file. Now we can see that data is not messy, it is quite meaningful and insightful. Raw data, clean data, summary and insights. Let's see the PPT. Is also quite useful and meaningful for the business insights and decisions. We also ask for recommendation of CRM tools instead of Excel. We can see that we got the Word file. You can see that based on a messy Excel file, it was able to create a useful, insightful Excel file, PowerPoint file, and Word file.